Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create your own channel on Viber. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen where you'll see the message icon. Go ahead and tap on it to proceed. This will open up your messaging options and give you access to creating new conversations and channels. Once you tap the message icon, you'll see several options appear on your screen. Look for the option labeled New Channel and tap on it. This is where you'll begin setting up your brand new Viber channel that you can use to broadcast messages to multiple subscribers at once. Next, you'll see a button that says Create a Channel. Tap on this button to move forward with the channel creation process. This action tells Viber that you're ready to set up all the details for your new channel. Now it's time to personalize your channel. You'll see a field where you can input a name for your channel. Think carefully about this name since it's what your subscribers will see and use to identify your channel. Type in a name that clearly represents what your channel is about or what content you'll be sharing. After naming your channel, you'll need to provide some additional information. In the next field, input a description for your channel. This description helps potential subscribers understand what kind of content they can expect from you, so make it clear and informative. It's your chance to tell people what your channel offers and why they should join. If your channel contains content that might not be suitable for all ages, Viber gives you an option to manage this. You can tap on age restriction if needed to set appropriate limits on who can view and subscribe to your channel. This feature helps ensure your content reaches the right audience. Once you've filled in all the necessary information and configured your settings, look to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see a check icon there. Tap this check icon to confirm all your channel details and move to the next step. This saves your channel information and prepares it for launch. At this point, Viber will give you the option to invite your contacts to join your newly created channel. You can browse through your contact list and select people you think would be interested in your content. However, this step is completely optional, so if you prefer to skip it and invite people later, that's perfectly fine. After you've decided whether to invite contacts or skip this step, tap the right arrow to proceed. This finalizes the channel creation process and officially launches your channel. And that's it. You've successfully created your own Viber channel and it's now ready to start broadcasting content to your subscribers. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.